Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Gaviota, back again with another video, and in today's video I have a shoe unboxing. And I know I'm a little late on unboxing this shoe because it came out on October 16th and we're already like halfway through November. But nonetheless, I have the shoe here for you guys. It is the women's Jordan 1 in the Lucky Green. So these are them. These are actually also my first pair of Jordan 1s, and I got them for retail on the SNKRS app. I don't know how that even happened because I never have any luck on that, but I did get them for retail, which was $170. I think on StockX they're probably like $220 maybe. So if you guys still want to grab these, you can still get them for pretty decent price, because I know Jordan 1s can go like past $500. So yeah, these are still a good price on StockX if you wanted to pick them up. But these are them. I am not the biggest green fan, but with the black laces, they're actually kind of cool. And I follow this girl on Instagram. I will insert like the picture inspo. She has the low version of the Jordans in green and she pulls it off. So I was like, I think I can pull these off too. They also came with red and green laces, which I'm going to insert the footage now of what they look like with the red and green laces on. Personally, I think the black laces look best on these, but let me know down below which laces you think look the best on these. But yes, I'm going to insert all the footage I have on these shoes. Don't come at me for my shots. I'm still learning how to film and stuff. They did come in this pretty standard Nike box, and I just got them in a women's 9. I'm not sure what size that is in men's, maybe a 7.5 or 7. Overall, on feet, they are pretty comfortable. I say they run true to size, but that's just me. I have pretty like skinny feet, so if you had a wider foot, I don't really know if you should size up or not. As for the actual shoe, the outer sole is black, the midsole is like a off-white color, and the toe backs and the middle are white. The swoosh is a shiny black compared to the rest that are matte, and also the Jordan sign is also shiny. So let me remove this. So here's a closer look. And I did take this little hanging thing off because it's just not me. I don't like to wear my shoes with the little things. I feel like it's this equivalent of wearing a hat with the sticker on it. I don't understand why people do that. Just not my style personally. So I took it off. You guys can do whatever you want. Leave it on, take it off, whatever. Use it as an earring, I don't know. That's what the shoe looks like. I hope you guys like this little video, and also give me some constructive criticism on how I can film better, because I'm still learning the ropes. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day, and I wish you guys luck on hitting on the SNKRS app because it's really hard to hit on there. So hopefully you guys have luck with any shoe that you want on there. Good luck to you. Bye.